right, guys. A few things about this bat we noticed when we first started swinging it was this bat is very stiff, no flex in the handle. Uh, the barrel's not compressing on it. It took a long time for us to break this bat in. At the end of this video, we're finally getting them to loosen up. Another thing, this bat swings very heavy, heavier than last year and the year before big cats they came out with. I don't know why Miken did this, but they did it to the max load too. They say it's got a full ounce in the end of the big cat. They might have put an ounce and a half in it, but it's not like the previous big cats. This thing swings very heavy. I suggest you guys going down an ounce like we did. I'm actually feeling comfortable with a 26 ounce in the big cat. So guys, you might want to go down an ounce. If you're swinging a 28, grab a 27. We found out that when we were swinging our regular weight that we were lagging because of the end weight that Mike can put on these 2017 Platinums. Another thing too is you 40-year-old guys will love this bat. I don't think so much of the 60, 55, 60-year-old guys, because it's just so much end weight that you guys have to push. We got pretty good distance at the end of this video because the bat actually started opening up around 400 swings, and in my next video I'm going to tell you guys what kind of distance we get on it. I can tell you right now it will make my top 5. Bubba loves this bat actually. He's a Miken guy. He's actually going to be swinging Miken this year, and but there's a few things. It makes a nasty ass sound when you first start swinging it. To get it broke in, it sounds like shit. It sounds like but the sound changes, guys. I mean, just keep at it, keep hitting with it. You'll find out it'll start getting. The more you swing it, the more performance you're going to get out of it, and it'll start opening up on you. And I had a lot of 40-year-old guys swing this bat to try to get it to open up for us, and it did. Eventually it did, but the next video I'm going to tell you where I'm going to put it in my top 5.
I'll put some speed on that. He needs to warm up with that bat.
Yeah, I can't swing that big.
God damn. That bat is a little heavier, but still. I'm next.
How did you make the street?
Do I get to use that one? Oh, that's yours.
That's the no, you can use that. I'm having that one next to wire that's on a pole right before the street. Remember, he goes shoot all the houses. We'd already shot a couple of all. I didn't see it like that. Shoot the first on the square. He dropped.
I did it right with that son of a bitch. You can get a hold of Frankie and get one. Probably get a 28. That's gone.
It still needs some
You almost got him.
Almost got the guy.
Who is that?
90-year-old guy walking a dog, pulling out his concealed carry gun. Batting practice, had a good time. Yeah, now that it's fucking broke in,
Oh, bullshit!
anybody can come along after it gets broke in and do that shit. Yeah, he did.
I hit at least 8 to the edge of the infield.
That's not even there, man. You hear it?
Yeah. Still hard. Yeah, see, it's got some soft spots, but it's still got a lot of hard. By the double thing. There I go. I'll bring it up like that. Look to the scope. I can't see. I see it's brown, man. I'm like a little stiffer.
Yep.
I'm trying to hold his gun like that. He stands there. I'm like, I wanted him to run a little bit. Get out of here. He did, but he went right back, right in front of the fucking truck, jumped the fence, and went up the steps. I come out of shit. I have a
For all them times you cracked my shit. What?
That's bad.